Hi friends, so we added the Magnolia collection a few days ago, and in there is a cover or leather cover that looks like this. And in this video I just quickly wanted to show you how we can change the letters of the covers. So here's how the cover looks like, and if you for example have a name that starts with M and you would like to change it to M, what you can do is activate the sticker mode, click on it to remove it. And then on the right panel, search for the collection Magnolia. And then scroll further down until you see your letter. So for example, M. Click on it and then drag it to the middle and make it a bit bigger and then place it in the middle of the planner. And you can also just show the right page, so it's easier to center the letter in the middle. But once it's centered, you can from here on export the PDF, or you can also further resize it into your planner size. Once you're happy with how everything looks like, you can go to Save Export to export your template. If you don't want to have the left page, the page next to it, you can also click on copy paste the right side to the left side. So you have two identical pages, and then you can go back to Save Export and then click on Export the selected page and select the first option, and this will export you just one page instead of double pages. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I'll try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!